Welcome to Debt Busters. In today's video, you'll uncover the keys to monetizing your passion as we delve into the fascinating world of no-face YouTube channels. Join us on this thrilling trip as we unearth the top 5 examples of content creators earning an incredible $500 a day. Prepare to be inspired, motivated, and equipped with the knowledge necessary to turn your channel into a profitable success story. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you subscribe and comment, "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Number 5. Wisdom of Ages. Let us begin by entering the enthralling world of Wisdom of the Ages, a channel that seamlessly integrates philosophers' wisdom with the art of inspiration. Prepare to be enthralled as their most recent videos and captivating thumbnails transport you into a world of profound quotations and eternal concepts. This channel welcomes you on a visual journey that sparks the mind and stirs the soul, with each meticulously produced thumbnail filled with photographs of prominent thinkers. If you dig further, you might find their hidden weapon, the intelligent use of free stock video material. They elegantly weave scripts together into awe-inspiring videos that leave you wanting more by exploiting software such as Pictory's massive catalog. This blend of engaging graphics and insightful thoughts distinguishes them, making a lasting impression on an ever-growing audience. With 69 fascinating uploads, this exceptional channel has amassed an incredible 226,000 subscriber count, demonstrating its significant impact on viewers globally. Their videos have received over 12 million views, inspiring intellectual curiosity and a craving for wisdom. But their success is more than meets the eye. Wisdom of the Ages enlightens minds and reaps the benefits of their hard work, with estimated monthly incomes ranging from $187 to $3,000. Their videos have received an incredible 747,213 views in the previous 30 days alone, attracting the attention of a loyal audience seeking wisdom in the digital realm. But it's not only about the short-term advantages. Wisdom of the Ages has established itself as a driving force in intellectual material, with anticipated annual earnings ranging from $2,200 to $35,900. We'd want to clarify that the figures indicated are based on Social Blade estimations, but they are expected to be more than that based on the historical CPM average of their niche. The undeniable key to their thriving success is their ability to design thumbnails that capture people's attention. These thumbnails entice readers with a glimpse, encouraging them to click and discover the pearls of wisdom hiding within. Each meticulously created thumbnail is a portal to knowledge, attracting many viewers eagerly awaiting the next morsel of inspiration. With a continuous stream of money, this channel exemplifies the significant influence that meaningful material, stunning images, and an unrelenting devotion to spreading wisdom can have on one's success. Number 4. Felix 10s. The pleasure of top 10 countdowns reigns supreme at Felix 10s. Let's peel back the layers of this incredible channel to find the secret to their success. Felix 10s pulls its videos from the vibrant economy of Upwork, where creativity has no bounds and endless possibilities, using a clever technique that blends innovation and resourcefulness. Felix 10s unlocks a treasure trove of professionally created videos for a few dollars, ensuring that each top 10 bureau video is a masterpiece in its own right. Discover the enormous potential right before you as this channel reveals a road to replicating their success. You too can begin on a similar adventure by using the power of Upwork, bringing your distinct style and viewpoint to the world of top 10 countdowns. This channel demonstrates the power of innovation, affordability, and a touch of inventiveness. Put yourself in the position of a creator, knowing that the resources you need to develop your thriving channel are only a few clicks away. With the help of Upwork, you can bring your ideas to life and turn them into compelling content that will fascinate viewers worldwide. Link in the description. This remarkable channel has gathered a passionate subscriber audience of 530,000, eager to join the voyage of research and discovery with an impressive collection of 75 uploads. Their videos have received over 42 million views, igniting excitement and curiosity in people worldwide. However, Felix's 10s success goes beyond numbers. With monthly wages ranging from $20 to $323, they amuse and reap the benefits of their hard work. Their videos have received an astounding 80,762 video views in the previous 30 days alone, demonstrating their ability to engage audiences with their unique top 10 lists. But it's not only about the now. Felix 10s has established itself as a driving force in the world of compelling content, with predicted annual revenues ranging from $242 to $3,900. While the initial data is based on Social Blade estimations, their figures are actually more than that. Join the ranks of the extraordinary, as Felix 10s illustrates that success isn't limited by a large budget, but rather by creative thinking and a desire to create exciting content. Accept the trip ahead as you discover the skill of sourcing brilliance from Upwork and creating your distinct brand of top 10 bureau videos that fascinate, delight, and leave viewers wanting more. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Number 3, Not Timelapse. Prepare to be swept away into the captivating realm of Not Timelapse, where time stands still and beauty unfolds before your own eyes. Let's explore the delights of this remarkable channel and learn how you can go on your exciting voyage. Not Timelapse uses its lens to bring commonplace phenomena to life. This channel captivates viewers with its capacity to condense time and capture the essence of beauty in its purest form, from the captivating dance of cookies and water to the unfolding of nature's most spectacular landscapes. But here's the greatest part: you can steal their idea and build your YouTube channel. Allow your imagination to run wild as you explore the endless possibilities of the world of time-lapse. By following Not Timelapse's footsteps, you can unleash the capacity to stop time and create magnificent visual storytelling that captivates and inspires. With an astounding 470 uploads, this remarkable channel has grabbed the hearts of about 2 million subscribers eager to see the world's unfolding beauty. Expect about 1 billion video views as viewers immerse themselves in a mesmerizing symphony of time-lapse miracles. Not Timelapse has garnered an astonishing 10,000 new subscribers in the last 30 days alone, demonstrating the ongoing fascination with its time-lapse masterpieces. The figures keep rising, with an incredible 15 million plus video views in the same span, captivating the imagination and curiosity of viewers worldwide. However, not only the visual spectacle drives Not Timelapse's success, they have turned their love for capturing the essence of time into a successful venture, with projected monthly revenues ranging from $3,800 to $61,200, according to Social Blade. The figures reflect their audience's commitment, with yearly earnings ranging from $45,900 to $734,000, demonstrating the vast potential of time-lapse filmmaking. Utilize the power of your imagination, knowing that you too can capture the beauty of the world around you. Allow your camera to be your brush and your time to be your canvas as you use time-lapse to bring your unique perspective to life. Unleash your imagination, experiment with various subjects and settings, and watch as your channel thrives with excellent graphics that captivate viewers. Number 2, Practical Wisdom Interesting Ideas. Whiteboard videos take center stage in Practical Wisdom Interesting Ideas, where knowledge becomes a visual masterpiece. Let's see the secrets to the success of this incredible channel. Expect many intriguing themes as their whiteboard videos bring quantitative wisdom to life, ranging from the 15 rules of success to the 9 unconventional habits that will make you a beast. But here's the catch: Practical Wisdom Interesting Ideas may not create these videos. Instead, they draw on Upwork's massive talent pool, where professional individuals donate their voices to narrate and bring screenplays to life. It exemplifies the power of cooperation, as the channel curates fascinating content and enlists specialists to bring their ideas to reality. The channel creates magnificent whiteboard videos with Doodly software that capture viewers with simplicity and elegance. Each marker stroke reveals a new concept, converting complex ideas into easily digestible visual narratives. Prepare to be captivated as you go on a learning adventure that engages both the mind and the senses. But it does not end there. The charm of Practical Wisdom Interesting Ideas rests not only in their instructive substance, but also in their attention-grabbing thumbnails that entice users to click. These thumbnails draw you into a world of information and exploration with a single glimpse. This attention to detail and their fascinating videos drive their booming success. With 418 uploads, this channel has amassed a devoted following of about 933,000 subscribers eager to delve into the depths of intriguing themes. Prepare to be enlightened as their videos have received a whopping 65 million plus views, piqued intellectual curiosity, and fueled a quest for knowledge. Practical Wisdom. Interesting Ideas' journey continues, with 2,000 new subscribers joining in the last 30 days alone. The pull of their content remains strong, with viewers flocking to immerse themselves in intriguing ideas and notions. Furthermore, their videos have had over 14 million views in the same span, demonstrating their thought-provoking content's enormous reach and influence. However, it is not only about intellectual stimulation. Practical wisdom. Interesting Ideas has turned their enthusiasm for giving knowledge into a financially profitable endeavor, with anticipated monthly revenues ranging from $196,663 to $1,179,978. These figures reflect their videos' enormous value and engagement, making the channel powerful in the digital landscape. In fact, estimated yearly earnings range from $2,359,956 to $14,159,737, demonstrating the channel's remarkable potential and success. You too may grasp the opportunity to start your own channel by spending a few dollars on a nice smartphone with a good microphone. Alternatively, you could follow in the footsteps of Practical Wisdom Interesting Ideas and use Upwork skills to bring your ideas to life. Unleash your passion for wisdom sharing by equipping yourself with the tools to attract and engage your audience. Number 1. The Relaxing End. Let's glimpse a channel called The Relaxing End, where unwrapping takes on a new level of pleasure and indulgence. Prepare to be immersed in a symphony of anticipation and discovery as this incredible channel reveals a treasure trove of unpacking videos. But a secret twist distinguishes them: the power of affiliate marketing, which turns every view into an opportunity to earn big bucks. The Relaxing End may be utilizing the fantastic weaving of affiliate links into their unboxing videos, a delicate dance between passion and profit. With each click on these links, a portal opens to infinite possibilities, allowing viewers to explore deeper into the world of the things they desire. It's a symbiotic connection in which the more views they get, the more money they may make. The channel unboxes treasures that entice the senses, leaving you spellbound by the enchantment of discovery. Each video, from the unwrapping of luxury electronics to the unveiling of fine collectibles, provides a little escape from the stresses of everyday life. Soothing music, superb cinematography, and a hint of suspense create an immersive experience that lulls you into complete relaxation. With 3,988 uploads, this exceptional channel has amassed a devoted following of about 9 million subscribers seeking shelter in the virtual realms. Prepare to be amazed, as their videos have received a whopping 2,000,000 views, providing a haven of relaxation and amusement. The journey continues, with The Relaxing End gaining about 30,000 new subscribers in the last 30 days. Their content's attractiveness remains unwavering, with an appreciative following that enjoys the peaceful environment and exciting gameplay experiences they provide. Their videos have received over 12 million views in the same time frame, demonstrating their capacity to fascinate and interest viewers seeking escape from the frantic world. However, it is not only about the immersive experiences. The Relaxing End has turned its enthusiasm for gaming into a lucrative business, with monthly revenues ranging from $3,100 to $49,600. The figures speak for themselves, with yearly revenues ranging from $37,200 to $595,400, demonstrating this channel's significant influence on its producers and devoted audience. Beyond the hypnotic unwrapping rituals, though, is a world of possibility for both the channel and its fans. You can do a quick benchmark and start your own journey of discovery and indulgence, where affiliate marketing can help you achieve your goals. Allow your curiosity to lead you, and with each click, you not only support the channel, but also open the door to discovering things that will improve your life. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the 5 no-face YouTube channels examples, making $500 a day. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing the make $500 per day, making text to video AI videos. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know the make $500 per day making text to video AI videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.